Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is for those of you who are not quite ready to create a full capsule wardrobe out of everything that you own. So I've created a mini 17 piece summer capsule wardrobe, and I've styled up the pieces in a bunch of different ways. I think I have at least 20 outfits to show you. And this is a great way to make your wardrobe work a little bit better for you and just to kind of see the versatility in this. So these 17 pieces are the core of my summer wardrobe, and the rest of what I own works around them and works in and kind of mixes and matches. But I think these few pieces have been my staples all summer long, and yeah, so I just kind of wanted to show you how I've been styling them up, how I plan to style them up, because some of these outfits I've never actually worn myself, and now I'm wondering why have I not worn them yet. They're so nice. So I hope you guys really enjoy the video, and I will see you next week. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it helps more people to see this video, and we're kind of sharing the love of sustainable and versatile fashion when we do that. And if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.